Hello, I am King Albert Villanueva from BSc 4A, and I'm going to discuss principle of collapse mechanism. Design basis. Design shall be made according to the provisions of load and resistance factor design, LRFD, or to provisions of allowable strength design, ASD. So this two is, we discuss lang about concrete and steel design, and under siya ng NSAP 2015. Required strength. The required strength of structural member and connection shall be determined by structural analysis for the appropriate load combinations. Designed by elastic. Then itong elastic na ito is natakal siya sa elastic theory or theory of structure in elastic and plastic design. Collapse mechanism. If a body is subjected to any loading, it will offer resistance called an internal reaction to the applied loads. And the load at which the body stops offering resistance to the external load is called collapse load. The plastic hinges will form at the following locations of the structure: fixed support, point of action of concentrated load, the section at which bending moment is maximum, and the section where the moment of inertia change. Theorem of plastic collapse. The static of lower bound theorem states that the load computed on the basis of an assumed equilibrium moment diagram, in which the moment are nowhere greater than the plastic moment or less than or at the best equal to. Kinematic upper bound theorem. State that the load computed on the basis of an assumed mechanism will always be greater than or at the best equal to the correct collapse load. So sample problem, two-span continuous beam. So meron tayo dito dalawang loads which are 300 kN and 200 kN. Then these are the following distance. So next, kailangan natin i-divide siya sa dalawa. Kasi dalawang span to. I think span A. Ito, span A and span B. Oops, erase lang natin. Okay. Divide natin siya sa dalawa. So, yan. So, ito yung fixed natin, fixed support natin. Then, the load na 300 kN. Correct me, 200 to 200 kN. And ito yung dalawang roller support natin. Then, the following distance. So first, kailangan lang natin mag-draw ng line dito. Ito. Para makabuo tayo ng dito. Ng ganitong form. Then, this point, yan. Ito. Tsaka to is plastic hinge, and real hinge. Ito, plastic hinge yung mga yan. Then this is angle theta. Angle theta, angle theta. Ito, angle theta. Yan. So, itong dalawang to is itong dalawang to and to is symmetrical lang siya. Then, kakamap tayo sa formula na P delta MP multiply to theta. So, para makakuha tayo ng value ng theta natin, ayan. Para makakuha tayo ng value ng theta natin. So, first, ito muna. Ito tayo. So, since may theta rito and 3 meter dito, sa geometry natin sa basic trigo and basic trigo. Since may 3 meter dito, itong part na to, kakaroon tayo ng 3 theta. Since may 3 meter dito at saka theta. So, 3 meter times theta is equal to 3 theta. Then, summation of all thetas, meron tayong sa part na to, since meron 4 meter dito, so ito, 4 theta to. And then the distance. So, which, itong dalawang to, itong part na to at saka part na to is not equal. Since symmetrical itong dalawang to, and ito, hindi sila equal na dalawa. Since yung theta na to and tong angle na to is not equal. So, suppose natin na isa tong phi. Yan, phi. Itong part na to. Yan, phi. Then to solve for phi, kakamap tayo dun sa equation na to. For theta, ito, for theta is equal to 2 meter times phi. Correct me. Phi to phi. Yan. Then sa trigonometry natin, para makuha natin yung value ng phi is equal to 4 theta. For theta is equal to 2 meter multiplied by phi. So, para ma-cancel natin to, kailangan natin na i-divide sa 2 meters. So, makukuha natin sagot is 2 phi. Ay, 2 theta ang value ng ating phi. So, ang hinahanap natin dito is yung plastic moment capacity. So, since may nakuha na tayong value ng phi, which is 2 theta, yan, nilipat ko lang yung figure kanina na itong part na to. Nilipat ko lang from dun sa ano natin, sa mga given na natin. So, meron na tayong value nito. Yung part na yan. 2 theta. So, balik tayo sa formula natin, pinaka-formula natin. The summation of loads lang. And ito, yung 300 kN multiplied by 4 theta. And dito, may 4 theta rito. Sa part na yan. 4 theta is equal to MP multiplied by 6 theta. Ito, 6 theta. So, saan nanggaling itong 6 theta na to? So, nakuha natin yung value ng 6 theta natin ito sa figure na to. Then, find the value of MP. 300 kN multiplied by 4 over 6. Ito. Then, makakuha tayo ng value na 200 kN per meter. So, since may nakuha na tayong value ng MP, so makakamap tayo sa MU. Then MU is equal to 200 kN is equal to delta Mn Phi Mn. Then the value of this is 0.9. So 200 kN over 0.9 is equal to 222.22 kN per meter. So sa load na to, ito yung point ng ating plastic hinge. So question number 2, problem number 2. For continuous beam shown in figure 2. So meron tayo ditong loads na tatlo, which are 600 kN per meter, 900 kN per meter, and 600 kN per meter. So first, draw each unique collapse mechanism. Second is calculate the collapse load factor for each of unique collapse. And third, draw the associated bending moment diagram at collapse for each unique collapse mechanism and state the critical collapse load factor. Okay, next. So tayo sa solution. So ito yung diagram natin. Meron tayong dito. Apat na support, dalawang roller support, and ito, fixed support. Then this is the distance. So kailangan, pag mag-compute tayo, since same lang naman sila ng mga distant 4 meters. So ang kukunin natin example is itong span na to. Span A and B. For span AB, classic analysis from the principle of virtual work. And so ang formula ng internal work done natin is external work done is equal lang. Diba? So MP multiply to theta plus theta plus MP theta is equal to work multiply to delta. Then 3 MP delta is equal to work multiplied to theta multiplied by 4 theta. So ang W natin is equal to 3/4 MP is equal to 3/4 600 multiplied to 600 is equal to 450 kN. So saan nanggaling yung mga value natin dito? So sa delta plus delta ito. Kaya may 3 delta tayo ito. Itong part na to. Ito at saka yung nandito. Ayan. So yung 4 nanggaling dito sa distance na 4 meter natin. Ayan. Then the loads in MP 3/4 multiplied by 600 ito. MP is equal to 450 kN. So work done. So ito yung nating sagot. Then next, sa elastic analysis naman, draw tayo ng figure dito. Itong point na to, siya yun work over 4 WL. Then, ang formula natin ng elastic analysis is M is equal to WL over 4. So, for W, cross multiply para makuha natin yung W. Since meron na tayong value nito, meron din nito. So, lalabas tong equation na to. W is equal to 4 times 600 over 8 is equal to 300 kN. Next, load factor is equal to WP over WE. Sinakuha natin W. Ito. So, WP is yung another load ulit natin na 450 over 300 is equal to 1.5. Then, similarity for span CD. So, balikan muna natin yung sa span CD. Ito. Sa span CD, ito. Since same lang sila, na 600 kN din. Same din na distance. So, magkakamap tayo sa sagot na ito. Ito. Parasan din sila. Okay, next. So, plastic analysis from the principle of virtual work. So, ito na yung span CD natin since parehas na naman sila ng span AB natin. Same formula lang din. Internal work done is equal to external work done. So, MP theta 3 MP is equal to WX, W times 4 theta. Or W is equal to 3/4 MP is equal to 3/4 600, which is yung load natin, is equal to 450 kN. Then sa elastic analysis niya is M is equal to WL over 4. Yan. So, cross multiply para makakuha tayo ng value ng W. So, 4 times 600 over 8 is equal to 300 kN. So, 8 na to is yung distance ng bawat sa span. Gets? So, ang WE natin is 300 kN. So, sa load factor naman is equal to WP over WE, which is yung 450 natin. Ito, 450 kN over 300 is equal to 1.5. So, next for span BC naman, span BC. So, ito yung ito yung point of plastic hinge natin. Then, ito yung point B and point C. So, meron tayong imaginary line dyan. And delta. Then, itong point na to is plastic hinge, MP. Yan. Then, theta. Since symmetrical itong dalawang to, equal yung dalawa. And this is the distance, 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter. Then delta is equal to 4 theta is equal to 8 E is equal to theta is equal to 2D. So, paano naging 2D yan? Simple lang. 8. Yan. Yan naging 2. Okay. Then, para makuha natin itong value na to, cross multiply lang din nag-emot tayo sa ganito. Yan. Gawin natin. Ayan. So, For the principle of brutal work is equal to external work done is equal to work done by external load. So MP theta plus MP theta plus D plus MPD is equal to 0.8 W delta plus 0.8 W delta prime. Since 2 MP theta plus 2 MPD is equal to 0.8 W delta plus 0.8 W delta over 2. To make it short, then lagay lang tayo dito ng value na ito. Yan. So 2 MP theta plus 2 MP theta over 2 is equal to 0.8 W multiplied by 4 theta plus 0.8 over 2 W multiplied by 4 theta. Ito, 4 theta. Then, ito, 3 MP theta is equal to 3.2 W theta plus 1.6 W theta. So, makakuha tayo ng value ng WP. Yan. 900 over 1.6 is equal to 562.5 kN. So, para sa elastic analysis, M is equal to 3.2 W. So, WE is equal to M over 3.2 is equal to 900 over 3.2 is equal to 281.25 kN. And then the load factor is equal to WP over WE 562.5 over 281.25. So makakuha tayo ng value ng elastic analysis na 2. That's all. Thank you.